Hi, welcome to Miss Emily's Kitchen. I'm Miss Emily. Here we are already at episode 5. Tonight we're going to be making an easy weeknight dinner that's actually a little bit on the healthier side. Today it's going to be bison tacos. Why bison? It's a lot leaner than ground beef and it actually has a lot less fat and oils in it, but still has a lot of that great taste. So let's take a look at all of our ingredients. So to make the tacos themselves, you're going to need about a pound of ground bison, some salt, some pepper, some cumin and chili powder. For the cumin and chili powder, it's only going to be about a teaspoon of each, and salt and pepper is just to taste. Now all of these over here are going to be extras for making your taco. Today I have some white corn tortillas. You can use flour if you like. It's really up to you, whatever you prefer. Some salsa. I'm going to do some black beans and some cheese. You can also do lettuce, tomato, olives, even whatever you like to have on a taco normally. I'm just doing what I like today. So now let's get started and take a look at all the utensils you're going to need to make it. So our utensils today are going to be super simple. All you'll need is a nonstick skillet, a spatula to scrape your meat with, and I need a can opener to open my can of black beans, and that is it. All right, so now we have our pan on the cooktop and we've got it warming up to about a medium or medium-high heat. So now that it's warm, we're going to add our ground bison. All right, so we're adding our bison to the pan. So you're going to want to cook this on medium to medium-high heat until there's no more pink and just kind of break it up as you go. Mine's frozen, so it might take a little bit to cook. We'll be right back. So now our bison's been cooking for about 5 to 6 minutes, really just until there's barely any pink left. You can see we've got it ground up nice, and you'll notice there's a lot less fat in the bottom of the pan than if you were cooking like ground beef, which is one of the reasons it's so nice and lean. So now that it's been cooking, we're going to add our teaspoon of ground cumin. I just like to eyeball it. And then a teaspoon of chili powder. And some salt. And a little sprinkle of pepper. Get that all mixed in. It's starting to smell really good in here. All right. So this is nice because unlike ground beef, you don't really have to drain off any of this excess oil because there's hardly any in the pan. So now that that's all incorporated, it's all done. You can actually turn off your burner and we're ready to assemble. Now it's time for assembly. So you're going to take one of your corn tortillas. I've put mine in the microwave for a little bit so they're nice and pliable. Take that, top it with some of our ground bison. You don't want to overstuff these because these tortillas are not very big. I'm going to do a little spoonful of black beans. This is where you can really do whatever you like in here, whatever you would put on a taco. If that's lettuce, tomato, guacamole, do a little salsa, and a little sprinkle of cheese. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to keep cranking these out because I'm going to make quite a few today. All right, and now we have our finished product. They look pretty tasty and they're great to serve for a crowd because really the bison, while it may be a little bit pricier than ground beef, it does stretch a long way. And your toppings, I mean, you're not really spending a whole lot on cheese or salsa, so all of this is under $10. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're following us on YouTube. If you're following us on Facebook, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and also follow the page. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Miss Emily's Kitchen. We'll see you next time.